In 2.2, we're going to learn about multiplying polynomials. Before we get into the notes, let's do a quick review on how to use the distributive property. So if we had something like 3 times x plus 4, we would want to distribute the 3 into the x and the 4. So we would get 3x plus 12. If we had something like x times x squared minus 4, again, we want to distribute the x to the x squared and to the 4. So we'd get x cubed minus 4x. So when we're distributing, we have to make sure we do it to everything inside the parentheses. So when we're multiplying polynomials, the product of two polynomials is always a polynomial, and you can use the distributive property to multiply. So let's do example number 1. So for part A, instead of calling this the horizontal method, we're just going to say that we're going to distribute. Okay, so we're going to multiply x plus 2 times x plus 5. So the way that we're going to do this is we're going to look at our first polynomial, that x plus 2, and we're going to distribute the x to both things in the second polynomial. So it's going to go to the x and the 5. So x times x will give us x squared, and x times 5 will give us 5x. Okay, now we're going to look at the 2, and we're going to distribute the 2 to both things. So it's going to go to the x and the 5 as well. So 2 times x will be plus 2x, and 2 times 5 is plus 10. So this is our answer when we're multiplying. Now we just need to combine our like terms. So we get x squared plus 7x plus 10 is our answer. All right, let's try part B. For B, instead of using the vertical method, we're going to call this the box method. Okay, so in this one, we're doing x plus 3 times x minus 4. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw a box. And it doesn't matter which one you put on top or on the side. So we're going to put x plus 3 and x minus 4. So now we just have to multiply each one in the boxes. So for example, in this first box, we need to do x times x, which will give us x squared. In this box over here, we're going to do x times 3, so that's 3x. In our lower box, we have negative 4 times x, which is negative 4x. And in our last box, we have negative 4 times 3, so that's negative 12. So now we can write out all the pieces of our box that we got. We have x squared plus 3x minus 4x minus 12. And if we combine our like terms, we get x squared minus x minus 12. Okay, so that's the box method. Either one works, you'll get the same answer no matter which one you do. Okay, let's look at example number 2. So example number 2 is using a table / this is just the box method again. So if we have 2x minus 3 and x plus 5, they've already made our box for us over here. So in this first box, we want to do 2x times x, which will give us 2x squared. In the second box, we're going to do x times negative 3, so that's negative 3x. In this box, we're going to do 2x times 5, so we get 10x. Then in our last box, we have negative 3 times 5, which is negative 15. So we end up getting 2x squared minus 3x plus 10x minus 15. And if we combine our like terms, we have 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. Okay, so I want you guys to practice these. So you're going to do monitoring progress questions number 2 and 4. On number 2, you're going to distribute, and on number 4, you're going to use a box.